So today I would like to share with you this adorable electric nail drill kit. Guys, this machine right here, as you can see, it's very compact in size, but guys, it is very powerful. It can achieve a speed of up to 20,000 RPMs. And to use it, it's super simple. So this product comes with 6 nail drill bits, and you have plenty of sanding bags included in the package as well for you to replace them. One of the things I like the most about this product is, as you can see, it comes with 28 holes where you can place all of the nail drill bits in it. I really love that about it. And in addition, it comes with 2 compartments right here in the back so you can put some other accessories for when you're doing your nails. So guys, this product, again, it's super easy to use. I told you already, it's small, but guys, it's super powerful. So let me just show you real quick the buttons right here in the front. This right here will be the power button. And then with the knob, you will adjust the speed. Another great thing I like about this, guys, is that it produces almost no noise when you're using it. Of course, you also have the option of changing the direction. So you have the forward and of course the reverse option for you to choose from. Guys, overall, this is an amazing product. I love the quality. I love the compact design and the color. I mean, it's so gorgeous. It's like this pink color. Very, very cute. Guys, also, I have to mention this because I think it's really cool. The power cord, it's actually a USB cable, which is awesome because that way you can easily plug it anywhere. You can use a power bank if you want, put it directly with an adapter. You can use it, plug it in your laptop. I mean, you name it, guys.